What do influencers even do all day? I'm gonna show you. What's up, bruh? Oh. Y'all said you wanted weekly vlogs and I said bet, and I picked up a camera. Honestly, I spend so much of my day alone that why wouldn't I be a vlogger, a viral vlogger? Anyway, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I do have this already. But I want the gold one. And okay, let's just set the tone of what this is. Okay guys, y'all said you wanted weekly vlogs and I'm just gonna deliver because my goal and my dream since I was 13 is and was to be a YouTuber. Like I've always wanted to make vlogs. So, oh my gosh, welcome to the channel. I'm so freaking hyped. This is literally giving me my video diary and I feel like it'll just make us 10 times closer than we already are. Look at my nails, look at them and cherish them because I'm getting them redone on Saturday. Today is Thursday. Okay, I'm just gonna be so unfiltered because this is my channel. How exciting is that? Okay, I love vlogging, guys. I literally will spend my entire day alone and it's like, why would I not like just hang with y'all, you know? I need a mini tripod so bad. You may be asking yourself, Nikki, what are you doing right now? Okay, good question. I just got home from my cafe self date. I'm eating these strawberries and guess what I just realized? They're perfectly ripe. Like they're so perfect. And then like one of my favorite things in this entire world is chocolate covered fruit. So here's the order you have to eat. You have to eat the dark chocolate first. I'm more of a milk chocolate girl, but dark chocolate could hit. Once it's a little bit melted, then you eat the strawberry. That's the only right way to eat chocolate covered strawberry. You think I'm gonna go melt this in the microwave and then pour it on this? I don't got the energy for that. I have a ton of packages to open, so I think we can do that together. And I actually do have like a brand event later. I don't know if I'm gonna go yet. But it's a bikini pop-up, and I love swimsuits, so maybe I'll go. And it's in Venice, so it's like kind of fun by the beach. ASMR. Nothing better than this combo, I swear. This is my other hyperfixation snack. It's still chocolate. There's nothing new here. I went to the Mediterranean market and I got pistachio butter and kanafe. Girl, I don't know. This is bomb. It's the crunchy stuff that goes in the Dubai chocolate bar. I also got pistachio butter and tahini and I made Dubai chocolate dip. So what I've been doing is just dipping chocolate in here because girl, I'm not gonna make a whole chocolate bar. That sounds like a lot of work. But look at this. Oh, this is what I've been snacking on. Oh, it's like on my. So good. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. I'm at Sally at I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the event yesterday. I just woke up. It's like 7:30, 7:46 in the morning. Yesterday we went to a little bathing suit event moment. And got a bathing suit, so swag finesse. I got this like, honestly, bathing suits are really hard because I have like a smaller frame, but like a bigger cup size, so I always like struggle with sizing, but this will work, I guess. I have to make it work. I got this, and like sometimes I feel like I could totally flash someone, but it's fine. It's just such a cute one piece, and I love it. And then I got the skirt. I'm really passionate about like swimsuits kind of like having matching little accessories like skirts and stuff, so it's like a full outfit, you know? I feel like it's so cute. Now I'm making a morning matcha. I can't survive without a caffeinated drink, but a lot of coffee shops don't open till later, so I'm like, so I'm just gonna make my matcha because basically right now I have to like clock in. I gotta do hecka work, dude. I gotta submit a concept. So basically like when I do like a brand deal, I have to give them a concept and then they approve it and then I can shoot it and then I send it over to them and then they can approve it and then I post it. And that's like usually how it goes. So today I have such a fun little brand deal coming up and I have to submit a concept within the next like hour, which is why I'm making matcha so I can turn my brain on and think of something good. That's my life update. Maybe later we will open my packages. I have so many and I already know I have like a really exciting package over there that I've been putting off opening. Anyway, this is me first thing in the morning and I'm exhausted. Okay. Oh, I really need a mini tripod so bad. I'm gonna get my sweetener of choice because I organized my fridge the other day. Oh, it looks so good. My sweetener of choice is this vanilla bourbon paste. Focus! Anyway, it's from Trader Joe's. And it makes the drink so vanilla-y that I love it. I'm just gonna add a little bit because it's honestly really strong. It really tastes like vanilla. Okay. That's good. Just a little dollop. I need a good matcha right now, dude. Like, it's what I live for. Not to be dramatic, but I'll come back and show y'all when it's made. We're going to cold whisk our matcha, which is basically where you don't add the warm water. You just go straight in with your milk of choice. I'm using this, oh my gosh, I just literally put my finger in it. Forager oat milk from Whole Foods. So I'm gonna try it. I hope it's good. Or it'll ruin my day. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Gosh. Gosh, guys. I'm pouring the matcha. I couldn't do this without you guys. It's a big moment. Matcha pour. So pretty, dude. I love matcha. Ooh, I almost spilled it. Look at this. Wow. That's gorgeous. Oh, it definitely needs more milk. It's like half empty. I can't wait for Lord to come out with music, dude. Look at this matcha. It looks absolutely insane. This matcha looks absolutely crazy. Look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I had to break the colors with you guys. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, this looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I added like salted maple cocoa. 10 out of 10. I actually have to like think with my brain. What's up, homies? We have an absolute banger of a haul. Okay. I did some Amazon shopping. First of all, my whole fit right now is Amazon. I just got this. This is my little Amazon fit I just got. I am obsessed with like Amazon's whole, I literally love their activewear. Okay, next, just got this ring. Also, got my nails done yesterday. Oh, look at those. So good. But anyway, Amazon haul, I got this ring. I think it's really cute. So let's put it on, see the fit. I'm really loving this little like FaceTiming you guys when I'm at home vibe, because this is what I do. Like, this is the part of my life that I don't post that much. I feel like it would be comforting to just like watch someone at home, you know? I got this ring from Amazon. It's so cute. Shut up and a half. Guys, look at this ring. So cool. Okay, well it works. It works. I have some new rings. I needed new rings because I lost my ring. I always lose my rings. Bought some new ones just so I can like film with them when I'm doing my little get ready with me. Another top. It's the same top I'm wearing, but got it in pink. So cute. I got the same skirt in white, so I have like a flipped outfit. We also have a big fat PR haul. Got to film with these things, so I'm really excited. Hostess sent me new blushes, and I'm gonna film a video with these, so go watch. And then Benefit sent me this whole little like travel vibe, and then you open it up. They sent me a whole makeup routine. I'm shooketh. I am so excited to film with this. It looks like a little suitcase. I am so blessed. Like, I never take this for granted because I'm like, what the crap? It's just so cool. I also got the Supergoop SPF lip gloss. Like, girl, look at this. There's 3 colors. There's pink peppermint. It's a sheer little candy pink. And then there's sheer coral, which is called strawberry spritz. And then there's a sheer soft pink, which is called vanilla soft serve. When I tell you, I'm so excited to see if these have a scent. I love SPF, so that's super lit. And I have so many new releases to like film with right now. Oh, there's another one. Check it. We have a glow recipe package. Okay, like it just keeps getting better. This is their glass balm. Oh my gosh, it's inspired by bingsu, which is a Korean dessert. All these different flavors. It literally looks like this. This like clear color, watermelon bingsu, blackberry bingsu, strawberry bingsu. I'm gonna film a whole video reviewing these, so I can't try them on camera right now, but that's my haul. That's my big fat PR haul, and I'm so excited. Best friends. Why is this playing on my speaker? I make them good. Go. That's it. That's it for the whole. Guys, I literally just had to prove that I'm not always above. I'm literally just filming to show you guys that I just did my makeup. Wearing the Amazon set. I got all dressed up because I'm gonna film the podcast on my couch right now. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys so much, and thank you for spending time with me. You're the best ever, and I'm just so happy. Let me know if y'all like vlogs like this where I'm like chilling at home, me at home vibes. I love you guys so much, and subscribe. Mwah. Bye, bestie boo.